super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, darling, 지금 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy.
Hello, I'm going to workshops and today I have this beach theme going on. Hello, so I ended up changing to better fit today's monologue from Jekyll and Hyde. See you! Hello, I am here and I have not yet memorized my monologue fully. I think I'm kind of screwed for the assessment later, but we'll see. I am just on time, it's 6:30, so yeah, I'm excited for the second week of workshops. Can't wait to find out what ma'am has in store for us. Butler fit check. Today I'm playing pool from Jekyll and Hyde.
Winter breaks is the east, and Juliet is the sun. It is my lady. Oh, it is my love.
This school is lost if you ask me, you're lost. But everybody talks to me like I'm the one. I should change. Why should I change?
Bob, I have an idea. Now, I know this may seem a bit forward.
Well, but you know what? What is this really about? I mean, is this really about a party, Kathy? Or, for once, can we just stop the blaming and say what we actually feel?
Oh yes, that's the other boy. What's his name again? Well, God bless what's his name. God bless the Reverend Mother, and Sister Margaret, and everybody at Mother Abbey.
Why? Should I change? I haven't even gotten a chance to figure out who I am, and you want me to change? That's crazy!
That's my dad! Pretty good, handsome looking, isn't he? Ask me where he is.
The sun is setting behind the January clouds and sinks behind Central Park. I run from 53rd and 5th to East Drive, past the zoo, the dairy payphone. The Jack quarter runs Islamic.
Better to go stick your head in an oven or in a bowl of water. Breathe in water instead of air. Or in a pillow. Fill yourself with something different.
I cry just about every day. Not for any real reason, just for practice.
Hello, I'm ready to play pool.
Good afternoon, Detective. What is the point? As you know, I am completely and utterly devoted to Dr. Jekyll, and I do not wish to judge him charitably. However, there are extraordinary circumstances that I feel I must make you aware of. The doctor has been locked in his laboratory all day and all night for almost an entire week. I heard him or it or whatever it was crying out like a lost soul or an animal.
Never knew her as an adult. Now, all I have is a stupid piece of paper. Stupid. Made up of venture volcano. Stupid. Made of dragon.
Two challenge titans come before, demure to a try at Avalon once more. And what august vitality you must have had in your wide aortic stream.
I could not. Goodbye, my former class. I will take my children away from this island. In wounding their father with these evils, why should I myself gain twice as many evils? I will not, cannot. Yeah.
Miguel!
Yeah, Miguel. So Miguel is stage right, stage left, stage right. It's easy, okay? So that upstage right meant upstage left. So that easy, it follows, okay? And then when you say mid stage left or something, then it's somewhere in between, okay? And then we have downstage right, you're not going downstage right, downstage left, downstage left, okay? So now that we said we're talking, she's gonna have a scene, so like this, yeah, or talking to her. So that's completing the cross, okay? And the rule is, for example, the stage ends here, and Jonas is waiting. The rule is, if he can see the audience, then the audience can see him.
Anyway, we're finished with our monologues today. We're gonna do some more acting workshops tomorrow. Then Thursday and Friday is dancing and movement. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Also going to read for Anne of Green Gables tomorrow, an adaptation by Patrick Lim. And we're gonna check if it works for us or not. And if not, we're gonna see something else. But yeah, the staff are super nice. Like, they're greeting me even though I'm just a guest. And being like, oh, hi, Faye. And it's really nice. Vlog during work. So I memorized it on the car ride here. Good thing it was just a 1 minute monologue.
Everyday perform.
Yeah, I'm already getting used to it. Like the anxious feeling. Hello and good morning. Afternoon, it's lunchtime. And I am just waiting for my food to microwave. And yeah, I'll see you in practice later. We have a script reading for Anne of Green Gables, and I'm really excited for that. I read the script yesterday, and it's such a heartwarming and cute cottagecore story. So yeah, I'm really excited for the read through later. And yeah. So today we're gonna improve our monologues a bit more and have some acting workshops after the read through. And then tomorrow is dance workshops. Hi guys! So since I have 5 weeks left of theater workshops, I'm going to start this kind of series where I sing one tenor song per week. And today we have Wild Uncharted Waters from The Little Mermaid, live action movie. So go see it if you haven't yet. It's really nice and magical. And yeah. All I ever wanted was the open sea and sky, freedom from the life I always knew. Now all I am is haunted as days and hours go by. All I ever think about is you. But there you are over me, taking me with your soul. Uncharted waters, miles beyond the sea. I was darkness bound, I had almost drowned, till you came around and you found me. Hi guys, so I'm eating right now. 24 chicken, so good. And I just realized I feel really bad for my neighbors because they have to hear me sing.
Where rivers run deep, where the sea, sparkling in the sun, earns its name, jewel of the untruth.
You can find one if you try. You were dancing, you were dancing, you were dancing.
It rained so hard and I was so late. Oh well, it's 6:50.
Using that in the exercise. When you are going to do that, all the position, alright, that's what you call choreograph. See, For the bronze. For the bronze. So it's all position of arms, which is your from first position, bronze. Ready? Alright, of course, you don't have to, wiggle, something like that. Yeah. And start! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Yes. So, let's do the from here, let's do
That was so tired. All ballet terms are just in French. Yeah. Like jeté, pirouette, plié, chassé.
You're gonna be playing John Valjean.
My classmates think I'm 17.
Several days later.
Oh, God help us, Lord. Please, now you can keep walking towards Monster.
It's red.
We're friends or emergency food. Which one will you pick? Emergency food.
She's just a bit mean to mine.
Yes. That's why she was like. Wait, are we a gym or a daycare?
So let's see
For Rosalia and for Cloister, they have.
it's our Pokemon.
Owlet. Yes, that's 6.
Remember at the beginning we
We were mermaids first.
yeah, and then I said let's have Pokemon.
Well, not to win. Choose one. That's okay.
Because it's always gonna win.
Hello, we're back.
Hello, this is how lemon swims.
So, please welcome Mermaid Nurse Joy.
Look at you, what
Our
are you
daycare.
doing?
Yeah. But now we're hiring her because we need her to stay.
See what it said.
Okay. So, Mermaid Nurse Joy will be taking care of our Pokemon here at the Pokemon
And
Center. Yes, and we're going to take care of
like,
hanging with the dolphins.
anyways, everybody's fainting. It's dirty water. Hey, Magic needs to take a couple of minutes to complete.
Oh, okay.
So all of these other Pokemon are fainting too because the water's dirty.
Oh, we need to clean the water.
Like how?
Wait, but,
Go to another area.
so why is the water polluted? Is it because of us?
Because of humans. Like dogs. People are throwing water into the sea.